What's going on, guys? Thank you all for tuning in. Today's video is brought to you by Manscaped. As most of you are probably familiar with their Lawnmower 4.0, which is their cordless waterproof body hair trimmer. I've talked about this product many times here on this channel, so you guys already know that this ain't some wonky men's care product. This is the real deal Holyfield, and I've been using their products way long before they even blew up and started dominating the industry. And hey, look, you guys already know that I would never showcase anything here on this channel that isn't top tier. So as the leader in men's below the waist grooming, Manscaped is now going beyond the groin with their brand new lineup of men's care products for both your head and your body. Introducing the Manscaped Ultra Premium Collection, which is the ultimate all-in-one skin and hair care kit that's literally got you covered from head to toe. With that said, let's quickly go through what this collection includes, kicking it off with the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, which I always use first thing in the shower. This product is a perfect way for men to wash and hydrate their hair without all the damaging side effects that normal drugstore products cause. Instead of using synthetics and harsh chemicals, this is infused with all natural ingredients, including coconut water, green tea, sage, aloe, and turmeric. So it's very rich in antioxidants, and it's paraben, cruelty, and dye-free, and it's vegan. And like most of us men, we like to just get straight to the point, so this actually helps cut your showering time in half due to the fact that it's simplified as a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. The second product is their body wash, which has been my absolute go-to this last year. Again, it includes top-notch ingredients like aloe vera and sea salt to keep your skin feeling clean, fresh, and most importantly, moisturized, especially during the colder, more dry months like we're in now. And by the way, look, most people don't realize that your skin is the largest organ of your entire body. So don't ever underestimate the power of using quality ingredients on your skin. I mean, you're actually impacting your overall health in a positive way when you're using high quality ingredients. It also helps balance and control your body's natural oil without drying out your skin. And it works as an exfoliator to help clean pores and reduce bacteria that leads to breakouts. And that's honestly what's great about all this, is that, again, us men, we don't think about stuff like this. We don't care to. So it's great to have a brand that just dials it all in for you. And yes, all the products in this collection do have that amazing Manscaped signature scent that we all know and love. Now, the product that I'm really excited to show you guys today is the new Hydrating Body Spray, which is like a spray-on lotion for men. As soon as I tried this product right here, I was ecstatic. I use this product right out the shower, whether it's morning or night. It has a powerful lock-in hydration formula to give you very long-lasting moisturization. It's infused with Pacific red algae, and it's dermatologist tested. My wife actually loves this so much that she even uses it herself. And now she's walking around here smelling like a little dude, like a little gentleman. Now, I got a couple more products here to show you in this bundle. Right here is the aluminum-free deodorant stick. Now, if any of you guys out there haven't switched over your typical drugstore deodorant for an aluminum-free deodorant such as this, now is the time to do it. For those of you that don't know, your body sweat mixed with aluminum is what gives your shirts those big old nasty yellow pit stains on them, which is what you don't want. So with this deodorant right here, it dries quick and clear. It doesn't get all over your clothes. It has premium odor protection, smells amazing, and it's, like I said, aluminum free, paraben, dye, and cruelty free, and vegan as well. And now moving on to the last product, which is a free product when you purchase this Ultra Premium Collection, and that is the Manscaped Lip-Balm 3-pack. If you're like me and you're like a little lip balm addict guy, or if you just got big old crusty, dry, nasty lips right now because of the weather, this is probably going to be the best choice for you right now, you know, opposed to all those other products out there on the market. Manscaped has actually infused this lip balm with vitamin E, peppermint, and eucalyptus oil to really lock in that moisture and soothe your lips. And on top of that, it gives you a more natural finish, opposed to, you know, most products out there that give you big old juicy, glossy, freaking duck lips. And of course, like the rest of the products, this as well is also paraben, cruelty, and dye-free and vegan. With that said, I really encourage all of us men, let's catapult our grooming routines to a whole new level and actually start using products that support the health of our skin and hair. And again, look, I know this is something us men don't want to spend time trying to figure out and dial in, but that's why I love Manscaped. It's because they've done all the science for you, and you don't got to worry about anything besides enjoying the benefits of these products. You know, you got that peace of mind. By the way, if you go ahead and visit the link down below, not only will you get 20% off, but you'll also get free international shipping. And you can actually sign up for the Peak Hygiene plan so you can get all of your products constantly replenished, hassle-free, and sent straight to your house so you never run out. So when you choose Manscaped products, you're choosing to play in the big leagues. Right, so hey, again, I'll be sure to put that link in the description below along with that 20% off plus free international shipping. And I'll see you next time. My name is Drexler. Peace always.